Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Always ensure your engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open your hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that headlight out. You'll need to remove the two retaining bolts located on the top of the headlight assembly. Once those are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight forward to release it from its clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing down on its tab and pulling it free. This gives you full access to the bulb. With the assembly free, it's time for the bulb swap. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the housing. Be careful not to drop it. Now, take your new bulb, insert it, and twist clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent oil transfer. Now, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, slide the entire assembly back into its position and secure it with the two retaining bolts you removed earlier. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.